Hey, blessings, everyone. Welcome back. I pray that you guys are having a wonderful day today. And I have a quick word to share with you through a dream that I had that the Lord gave me. But before I get into that, I just want to remind you that every prophetic word is not for you, and that you have got to be in tune with God and have that personal relationship built with Him. So even if a word is for you, you have to seek Him for yourself. So just always keep these things in mind, whether you're listening to myself or to other prophetic voices, that remember, it's your personal relationship with God that is most important. So, okay, in this dream, it was super short. I saw this clock, and I saw it was like a small clock with the hand dials on it. But all of a sudden, the hand dials just went backwards. And that was it. Then I woke up. So I asked the Lord immediately, what did He mean by this? What was He showing me? And He began to say that there are some things that you feel like you wish you could just rewind time, that you wish you had handled differently or even handled it better. Well, this isn't about trying to change that, but what it is about is you going before the Lord. So there's kind of two sections in this, okay? So pay attention. The first one is, this is just about you. You going before the Lord in your own personal time and just submitting these things to Him, asking for forgiveness and saying, you know what, Lord, forgive me. I wish I had handled it better, but here I am now. Forgive me. I surrender the situation over to you. Now, this other group, the Lord is telling you personally to go back to this person. It could be an apology, or it could just be to address it so that you're not constantly sweeping it under the rug. And that was another thing that the Lord has been showing me here lately, about things just being swept under the rug, and you have got to just clear the air. So part of this just addressing it is clearing the air, whether it's through a phone call, a text, or whatever, and just saying, you know what, I apologize. I could have handled it better. I've grown and I'm learning, and so just please forgive me. Now, this cleanses you and it removes any blockages in your heart, and you're addressing the things that need to be addressed. The other part is on them. So don't worry about that. The other part is on them. You just do your part. So remember to seek the Lord even on the timing, but don't delay on doing this, because this could just be a word of confirmation for you. You've already been feeling this in your spirit. And so as you're hearing this word, then you're like, this is for me. I know this is what I have to do. So if it is for you, be courageous in the things of God. Address it where it needs to be, and then just leave it alone. All right. I love you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.